Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Dway. So in this video I'm going to teach you how I did that TikTok video earlier that I made 2 days ago. So here are the first things that you need in order to make this video. So you need a tripod and a camera. You can either balance a phone against some object rather than using a tripod or a camera. If you don't have them, just use your phone and just lean it against a place and make sure it does not move at all. Next, find a place where you want to frame your subject. Mark it with tape. Yeah, that's good right there. And just make sure that you do not move anywhere beyond that, and you are ready to make your TikTok. Next, you want to get yourself naked, I mean in your underwear, and start, just changing your clothes every frame here and there. Now, a lot of you asked me how I did the walk. I took 2 chairs, lift myself up a little bit, and then start walking in midair. You can see my arms like literally shaking. Next up, you want to frame yourself standing still and doing a little dance move, whatever dance move it is. Once you have done recording, go to your desktop and open up Premiere Pro. I'm gonna call this TikTok tutorial because, well, it is a TikTok tutorial. Now you want to import the videos that you've recorded. Also, download the original song from SoundCloud so that you can sync up to your videos when editing. Move one of your clips onto the timeline and now go to sequence settings. Here you want to change it to custom. Change your frame rate according to what you recorded in. I've recorded at 30, so I'm going to go for that. And then here's the most important part. Now change your frame size to 1080 horizontal and 1920 vertical, and leave the other settings alone and just click on OK. Now you want to start selecting your scenes from your clips and move them to your timeline. Keep doing this until you have all of your selected clips onto the timeline. Once you have all your clips selected onto the timeline, for the beginning of the video you want to make sure that no one is in the frame so that you have that appearing effect later in post. Now, to do the effect of you appearing out of nowhere, you want to select that clip, go to opacity, click on the little clock on the left so that you can start making keyframes. Go to the beginning of the clip, click on the keyframe, set the opacity to 0%, and then move about 5 to 6 frames in front by using the arrow keys on your keyboard, and make another keyframe and put that to 100% so that it makes it look like you're appearing out of nowhere. Now you want to repeat the same process for all your clips until you have something like this. Alright, that looks pretty decent. Now to the tricky part. Now you want to have the clip of you with the chair and the one where you're just standing still. You want to make sure that the clip of you with the chairs are on top of the clip where you're just standing still and doing the dance. Now here's the magic. You want to select the clip with the chair, go to opacity, and click on the pen tool to create a mask. Now you want to start making points around your legs. Keep doing it and you'll have something like this. Now you can see from the playback it looks terrible, so we're gonna make sure it looks smooth, and this is where the annoying part starts. To get rid of the sharp edges, you want to click on the mask feather and increase it. You can see from the difference here at 0 and 60 plus. You want to keep the feather around 40 to 60. You can adjust it according to how you like. Now comes the annoying part. You want to click on the little clock on the left of the mask path and start making keyframes. You can move frame by frame by using the arrow key on your keyboard. You want to go frame by frame to make sure that your legs are not disappearing anywhere to make it more realistic. So adjust accordingly every frame. You want to keep doing this until you're satisfied with your results. And this is the final result. You can obviously see the difference in lighting around that area. So what you want to do is either increase the feather so that it looks like it's blended perfectly. Now this is not really the cleanest work I've done because I'm just giving you as a tutorial. So once you have done all of that and you can see that the colors are a bit different, you want to go to colors and you want to start changing the highlights, saturations, and all that stuff on the side to make it look as close as the surrounding, so that it doesn't look too obvious. Once you have done all of that, you can play around with your mask feather so that it blends better with the surrounding. And here's how it should look like once all of it is put together. It looks pretty sick, doesn't it? Now that you have done all that, to make it look a lot neater, you want to select all of the clips by pressing Ctrl A and then nesting the sequence. Now you want to create an adjustment layer and place it on top of it. So for my video, you can see that it was moving like it was handheld. You can download the effect on cinecom.net. It is by a YouTuber called Cinecom, and they are one of the best YouTubers for Premiere Pro effects. And you want to choose any of the following and drag it onto your adjustment layer. Now you can see the fake camera movement on your video. And that's it. You can add in filters when you're uploading it on TikTok. Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to comment down your thoughts on this tutorial, as well as to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this and skits. And yeah, follow my TikTok. You might see some more videos that you would like me to do tutorials on, and just comment down. Alright, that's it for this video. I'll see you guys some other time. Peace.